Already show say obekame ho favorite channel na metimi abesomo na mpacho channel nso say me the 2025 Afcon qualifiers bra oman aye friend Ghana eto no inside their friend Angola and am there ho nsam etimi abeda na mpacho channel nso say the Blasters of Ghana continue their campaign to qualify for the 2025 Afcon and as African Cup of Nations aye 20 aka say Afcon tournament eno ebetimi akoso na mpacho ohyana nso bra nei omo eto omo nsa ade afra the Palangas Nagras of Angola na game yi ebekoso Baba Yara Sports Stadium eda Thursday 5th of September 2024 eno betimi the game yi ahye so na mpacho watimi ahyana nso sa ede amame na ese we the four-time Afcon champions Ghana omo ene lucky horns with the three-time Afcon quarter finalists Angola na washana so bro mu mienu nyina emu se ombetimi qualify for the 2025 Afcon qualifier na mpacho watimi ashana so bra we round 1 game ebekoso Baba Yara Sports Stadium eda Thursday na mpacho watimi ashana so ede amame na in terms of say made the head to head etimi adan wono pacho shanon so say the 2025 Afcon qualifiers showdown on Thursday 5th of September 2024 will be the Ghana Blasters and Angola omo game omo ede pem so etoso enum the fifth meeting between these two nations in all competitions na washaron so sa ede abame baako koso Wednesday 18th of November 2009 na no international friendly game bra Angola anshebi and Ghana enso anshebi a game with and they goalless and which is Saturday 24th of January 2010 game no etimi koso a na no Afcon quarter final stage and aman mienu etimi ehia na mpacho shanon so say oh my Ghana kan ketesi Asamoah Gyan Baby Jet etimi enya the only goal on the 15th minute and ensures a victory Ghana there na on Thursday 23rd of March 2023 na no Afcon qualifier group E game say na we enso akoye Afcon qualifier no pacho shanon so say game no ekoso Baba Yara Sports Stadium Ghana and Ghana ekabako editia Angola kan ketesi Antoine Selom Semenyo na washano so 90 plus 6 minutes and abrantie no etiminya the only goal is secure victory no edema oman Ghana na on Monday 27th of March 2023 bra eno ekoye return leg of the Afcon qualifier but Shalon so sa goala baako ma Ghana enso baako a bra Jao Lucas ejinem enya 51st minute penalty goal edema ne man friend Angola bra na Osman Bukari enso ebewuram it will be taken on the 72nd minute. So 4 games are akoso so far. But Sharon so say Ghana edin kunim 2 as 3 goals. Angola entimi ending kunim washe 1 goal edi etia Ghana and eno achi 2 games etimi ended in the draw. Na chere say for the Blasters of Ghana on 4 previous encounters on Angola edi apem so nya de Ghana etimi alusu bia niama ekoyi at the amount in all competitions. What we need to draw to as 3 goals a concede a goal. Na just say Angola ni swade hu nyina ne say obetimi adin kunim for the first time over the Blasters of Ghana. It's an some previous 4 encounters no nya de andema akoye e de ama Angola. Saying na Baba Yara Sports Stadium ebetimi akoye na mpacho washaron so. Na eba the Blasters of Ghana currently omo ranking on the 64th of FIFA rankings eba mountain on 18th of July 2024 na Ghana first international game itimi ekoso on 28th of May 1950 na mpacho Shannon so said the then Gold Coast and British Togoland kabako editia Nigeria wantimi antia game no ekoso Accra British Gold Coast na mpacho Shannon so about the Palangas Nagras of Angola pacho omo rank 90th by the FIFA latest rankings etimi eba mountain 18th of July 2024 na omo first international game etimi koso 8th of February 1976 na mpacho washaran so sa ede amama bra Congo kamiensa ema Angola ekoti mu mienu a game no ekoso Brazzaville wo Congo na mpacho washaran so the Blasters of Ghana most card player brand here friend Andre Dede Ayew na so far wetima about 120 caps and the ama ne man Ghana and I say 120 games of which was 24 goals EPM wo ɛyɛ Angola ɛnso so Mosca player ɛno ɛyɛ abrante yɛ friend Frevio da Silva ɛyɛ Amado ɔno nso etimi abɔ 91 games with ɛyɛ 34 ɛyɛ goals. Ghana all-time top scorer ɛyɛ abrante yɛ friend Baby Jet Asamoah Gyan with 51 goals in 109 games owura no etimi boy. Saa na EPM wo Angola national team ɔmo all-time ɛyɛ top scorer ɛyɛ abrante ɛyɛ friend no ɛyɛ Fabrice ɛyɛ Marco ɛyɛ Aqua ɔno etimi abɔ ɛyɛ 39 goals in 78 games ɔno nso etimi abɔ. Ghana is located at the West Africa, which is part of the Wafu Regional Federation. Nampacho, what me Ashanon. Sana PM Angola, part of Southern Africa, part of Kosafa Regional Federation. Na just say the geographic account so edited namu. There's a history no. Bibia data be you need to know. The mount prepare bibia etimi eko animu. And then about be a year drew the yamfa Ghana records at AFCON qualifiers intimi emfa and now. Nampacho Shannon so said Ghana started playing the African Cup of Nations qualifier in 1961 for the Ethiopia 1962 Cup of Nations. Na just a breed Kenya Ghana started say all qualifiers. Akopie mo AFCON tournament no for the 1962 AFCON na ebet makoso Ethiopia. Bra etimi at the share so in 1961 and omo etimi abo before the first time. The first country to play Ghana was Nigeria on 8th of April 1961 at Lagos, Nampacho Ocean. So Nigeria and Shebi, Ghana and Tibi and Shebi. On 30th of April 1961 at Accra Sports Stadium, Ghana 2, Nigeria 2, Edward Aqua and Agrifen. Among any Timinia goes no Edema Ghana Eho. So a hoko here say oh Hesania etimi akona dia na yentimi emfa lot no and so Nigeria won on lot Nampacho Ocean. Isan say oh hwɛ a lot we so a na say yetimi akɔ to so kwan na ɛno no etimi ɛkɔ so say the drawing of the lot took place in London on 27th of September 1961. So Nigeria qualified ahead of Ghana na mpacho wetimi ahyɛ no so nti ope player otimi share goal edikan edema Ghana when it come to AFCON qualifiers mpacho hyɛ no so owura your friend Edward Aqua ono na the first player otimi share goal edema Ghana when it come to AFCON qualifiers na wahyɛ no so. Ghana have qualified automatically as a host and as a defending champions, and Ghana have been in the Nations Cup tournament on 24 occasions since 1963 and have won the title on 4 times: 1963, 1965, 1978 and then 1982. Now just say we Ghana hun sabani egusua edi data no etimi adai wono. Ghana have lost 3 times at home in the AFCON qualifiers. Nti where senia ne Ghana to inside their friend Angola no. When it comes to say Ghana lose home match no AFCON qualifier 3 times and Ghana etimi lose in 1971 against Togo, 1973 against Ivory Coast, and then 1987 against Sierra Leone. Na washanon so na say we can say and I say the last time Ghana lose at home and no African Cup of Nations and I say AFCON qualifier game no it because 1987 Brana Ghana where must qualify for Morocco 1988 na game no also 30th of March 1987 na that day no na Monday ti to the din say Black Monday bra Ghana kabako ma Sierra Leone etimi etimu mienu. Abdul Aziz enyago on 80th minute brana John Dumaya and so etimi aginam abo brace amane yema akoyie ade amane my friend Sierra Leone no Ghana ebenya consolation through Abdul Aziz on the 80th minute. Na ohwe that day to the day Black Monday no na ye day just arehosem pa isan say before the game na ohwe owura Ghana the sports room wadi akotene ewompa ye friend Ohene Jan that day no na owura no etimi ahwere ne nkwa dinere say ekohia say Ghana emo black armband na yentimi emfa nyinam for the game na yetimi ede apem so enso so ewo ho na watimi ahye so ede amounti Black Stars of Ghana ebo black band on that day no and yema ankoyi amfa amaya enso so ewo ho. Ghana goalkeeper was Mohamed Odum na coach ɔno nso etimi egyirem ɛma ne ɛma etimi ɛkɔyie ɛnso so ɛwɔ hɔ ɛnsa saa Black Monday no ɛnam de ɛho nsɛm kakra ɛde adan ho ɛnso so ɛwɔ ha na mpatsɔ hyɛ no nso sɛ in terms of sɛ yɛdi nkɔmɔ ɛde afa Angola no yɛdi Ghana ho nsɛm a yɛnwura mu Angola ɛnso so afam Angola qualified for their first African Cup of Nations in 1996 and have so far appeared 9 times in the competition na mpatsɔ wahyɛ no nso Eba Angola, mo best finish at the tournament, no, so mo etime pie mo quarter finals, mo adru on 3 occasions, 2008, 2010, and 2023. Na washaron so. Since ye din komo, e afa the day Thursday, and ampacho, yenhwe Ghana the games wabo on the day Thursday. Since 1960, Ghana have so far played 40 games on the day Thursday in all competitions, being it AFCON qualifier, World Cup qualifier, international friendly games. Say in all competitions, Ghana team up 40 games and now fall on the day Thursday. Out of which Ghana have won 17, drew 13, lost 10, scored 63 goals and conceded 45 goals. There's a way and then Ghana more regards to the day Thursday. And then I narrow to AFCON qualifier games on the day Thursday. And Patrick Shadon so said Ghana are unbeaten in their previous AFCON qualifier games played on the day Thursday since 1961. Nampacho Washaran so at the Abamia. 6 games so far, Ghana have won 5 and drew 1, scored 11 goals and conceded 3 goals. There's about the day Thursday, there AFCON qualifier game. Nyadia Oman Ghana etimi alusubia. So far, 6 games, Warren a 5, a draw 1. I say 11 goals, I conceded a 3 goals. Nampacho Shannon so say since 1961, Ghana has scored in each of their AFCON qualifier games played on Thursday. The about the day Thursday, na Ghana ebo AFCON qualifier game, ebia na Ghana eshego. Saying and an outcome no betimi akoye. O Ghana be able to score this time round, brad the day Thursday, or more airway coming, or my Angola, na washa no so. And then yen shift attention in Remo Angola, the day Thursday, send omu games, ATB Echo since 1984, and Patrick Shadon so said, omo about 20 games in all competitions follow on the day Thursday, and so far, omo arena air 4, a draw 9, a lose 7, I say 18 goals, and then which Oma conceded a year 21. But when it come to AFCON qualifier games on the day Thursday, Patrick Shadon so said, Angola are winless in their previous AFCON qualifier games played on Thursday since 1996. Omo etimi a draw 1, a lose 2. Omo etimi concede 2 goals and so ewo ho. There's a way omanya your friend Angola so no mo nsam etimi ekọ. But Shannon so say Angola are yet to score a goal on the day Thursday no AFCON qualifier game. Angola are yet to score a goal on the day Thursday, AFCON qualifier game since 1996. Would they be able to score for the first time at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium? I know AFCON qualifier game, and I say Ebre and then Krabia. And a bit me actually and so and then I send a yedding como afa AFCON qualifier games and a good sort of whole data air down. Young room now you the month of September, you have my me, so will be a more than more 80 echo when it comes to games or more airball on the day, the month, and I say in the month of September. But your Uremu Ghana. Since 1960, Ghana have so far played 38 games in the month of September in all competitions, winning 21, drawing 4, losing 13, scoring 56 goals and conceding 41. There's a way Ghana more regards to the month of September in all competitions, and I'm there whole data. Now, Naron be PM or AFCON qualified games in the month of September. But Shannon so said Ghana have so far played 9 games. I know AFCON qualifier games in the month of September since 1961. And the only country what me adding kunim over Ghana, I know AFCON qualifier in the month of September, my friend Kenya. On 8th of September 2018, and Kenya say Ghana, a Kabakwa went to be anti. Aside from that, the previous 9 games are Akosono. Ghana etimi awene 6 a draw 2 a lose 1 a 15 goals and then which wa concede 6 goals we nyina ne games a Ghana abo I fall the month of September since 1961 AFCON qualifier games. Yɛnhwɛ in terms of Angola na yɛmfa ho so nsɛm and in the month of September since 1984 Angola about 22 games bra in all competitions watimi awene 8 a draw 5 a lose 9 actually 25 goals and then which were conceded 27 goals. Now, Pacho Washanon Sosa Eddie Abame. Angola have so far played 9 AFCON qualifier games in the month of September since 1996. About a year or more 22 games or more in the month of September in all competitions. Emu 9 and etimi appear by no AFCON qualifier games. Now, Pacho Shannon Sosa out of this number, or more etima winning 2, a draw 3. Etima lose 4 as a 5 goals and then which Choma conceded 11 goals. Until about AFCON qualifiers in the month of September, Ghana about 9, Angola about 9. Now Washanon Sonsa Eddie Abame. And out of this number, about in terms of goals scored, Ghana as a 15 goals. Angola etimi as a 5 goals. Now Mpacho watimi ashanon so na so final average of Ghana 15 goals na say Angola etimi esim ewo ho a enema eko enso edemana na so otimi ebo every 3 games bia na say watimi abebo awuram enso so ewo ho a otimanya goal enso so ewo ho na watimi ashanon so sa enso so ede amame say gusu a bede Angola ene Ghana ho nsam no nyina no etimi adan wo enso so ewo ha. In terms of say yedi nkomo the month of September no and na ye narrow discussions no MPM on the match date 5th of September in all competitions. But Shannon so say Ghana since 1960 about 6 games fall on the match data the friend 5th of September and but Shannon so say out of this number Ghana are 4 a lose 2 as 11 goals are considered 3 goals. We games are akoso on the match date 5th of September. Nampacho Shannon so say out of this number emu sen AFCON qualifiers. Out of this number Madikan Akacho 6 games na Ghana aboard so far on the match date 5th of September since 1960. Emu sen fall and I say na games AFCON qualifier. Sanya game Ghana and Angola they kopim si and so AFCON qualifier. But what Shannon so say at the moment Ghana are unbeaten in each of their previous AFCON qualifier games played on the match date 5th of September in all na no in 5th of September na mpacho watimi ashana so since 1961 na mpacho Shannon so say 2 games so far and akoso a ne nyina no AFCON qualifiers out of the 6 baako etimi course 5th of September 2010 there no Eswatini and etimi transfer Ghana ekoshe na kabiensa wantimi ante na anso on 5th of September 2015 there no so AFCON qualifier but Shannon so say Rwanda transfer ma Ghana ekoshe na kabako a wantimi ante ntina che se Ghana awene ne AFCON qualifier games a watimi abono enyina wahye 4 goals bra onsan so concede a goal. Will Angola be the first nation on 5th of September obetime the ball at Ghana net and Baba Yara Sports Stadium will decide on the fate of these two teams. But yemhwe Angola when it comes to the games or also about on the match date 5th of September. And Pato Shannon so say Angola so far etimi about 2 games. Omo unbeaten in their 2 previous games omo etimabo on the match date 5th September in all competitions since 1984. Omo win 1 a draw 1 as 2 goals and then which omo concede a goal. Na pacho washalan so e de abame. Bra na 5th of September 2004 na no World Cup qualifier game Group D Angola kabako editia Rwanda. And then which on 5th of September 2009 there no international friendly game Angola kabako Senegal and so eka baako. So currently Angola are unbeaten in their previous games omabo on the March date. Will Ghana be the first nation obetimi a record win over Angola on the March date? You know, 5th of September, and Baba Yara Sports Stadium will decide on the fate of Ghana. But what you need to note is that Angola have scored in each of their previous games played on the March date, you know, 5th of September in all competitions since 1984. Angola both game be on the match data on the ball at net. Are they going to be able to score against Ghana? The ball better Ghana net or Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Say no more demonstrating or each of our previous games or ball on the match date, you know, and but it is Baba Yara Sports Stadium will decide on the fate of these two teams. Based on my data analysis on this game, may share any more say number 1, ebe home win. Ghana ebe twaso. Na senia when it come to the previous 4 games on Angola ede apem so a only nkuku no Ghana ye unbeaten no Ghana besan so atwaso akwa kodanima obedi nkunim over Angola. That is number 1. Number 2, Angola ebe twaso. Na senia wada na di on the match date 5th of September bia ni game obo bia no or the ball eto net no Angola at the ball ebeto net edia the Black Stars of Ghana. Send Angola adanadi on 5th of September bia the game obo no or shego no Angola besia toaso was answer ashego Angola to score. Na san Shannon so said send Ghana and concede a goal no ye AFCON qualified game on 5th of September bia Ghana ebono nyadia na AFCON qualified game bia wabono Ghana a concede goal no for the first time Ghana ebe concede a goal no ye AFCON qualified game ebe koso 5th of September. Na san Shannon so say yebenya both team to score and wechi yebenya over 2.5 goals and finally may expect the correct score to be Ghana 2 Angola 1. Ghana 2 Angola 1. There's a Ghana winning by difference of 1 goal margin. Already show so bre ebeka me ho o favorite channel na me did the data analysis and prediction on Ghana Angola AFCON qualified game etimi abaso Baba Yara Sports Stadium eda Thursday 5th of September 2024. Me the whole data ebeda wo adstrade say unya subscribe to the channel hwe let me subscribe no wa share na for nso etimi abeka ye ho. Shalom, peace.